Welcome to today's tutorial on enabling save notifications for your published pins on Pinterest using your PC. If you're eager to stay updated on how others are interacting with your content, this new feature is just for you. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. If you aren't already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, look to the left side menu. Here, you will find a gear icon which represents the settings. Click on this gear icon to proceed. After clicking the gear icon, you will see a drop-down menu. Select Settings from this menu to enter your account settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Pinterest experience. Now that you're in the Settings menu, focus on the left sidebar again. You will see several options listed here. Click on Notifications, which will take you to the Notification Settings page. In the Notifications section, look for a category labeled Pins You Published. Under this category, you will find an option that says Saves. Click on this option to manage your saved notifications. Here comes the crucial part. You need to enable push notifications. This feature will ensure that you receive real-time alerts whenever someone saves one of your pins. Simply toggle the switch to turn on push notifications. After enabling this feature, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom of the page. This step is essential as it ensures that all your changes are applied. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully enabled save notifications for your published pins on Pinterest. Now, you'll never miss a moment when someone appreciates your creative work. Enjoy engaging with your audience and happy pinning.